Redsan, aka Mr. Pioneer, aka Mr. Badadan, aka Mr. Shoulderback, aka Mr. Wine for me, wine for me. You don't know. This is yaazzmineoz channel, and we are here to discuss beauty, and I'm here to get beauty tips as well.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. Today is such an exciting day. Energy Radio, Elodie and Charlie was so kind enough to invite me, so I can't wait and go hang out with them and just vibe and talk about all things content creation and YouTube and just beauty and what I like doing. So yeah, let's go. All right.
Are you recording? Cool.
So how are we starting?
Hey guys. Alright, cool. You ready?
I'm not ready.
You're not ready.
How are the three of you going to fit in this?
Elodie, walk in. Also, you might be a bit too tall. Elodie, walk in. Walk in. I'm going to
It's good AF.
Are you hungry?
What does AF mean? What does AF? Oh, Ramadan.
Oh, fuck!
This guy's like, are you hungry? I'm so hungry. My
But you know what's even more funny is he's the one that told me that you are having Ramadan because of your vlogs.
Ramadan.
He's the one that told us.
Because I thought I was clever. I'm so sorry. No, it's because you yawned.
Yeah.
It's because you yawned and I was like, are you hungry? Can I get you like a biscuit? Like a cookie?
Which one is worse? Living or dying first? Sleeping inside a hearse. I don't sleep.
Negikora.
Huh?
I think I'm pronouncing it wrong.
Say again?
Negikora.
Nego kohora.
Ne?
Nego kohora.
Nego kohora. Then I know.
Like violence. That means I'm gonna whoop your ass. Wait, what do you think? Wait, what are you trying to say?
I was like a hi, or like how you doing?
Ohoro.
Oro.
Ohoro aku. That's hi.
Oro aku.
Wait, get. Abu, say what you said in the beginning.
Nego kohora.
That's nego kohora is I'm going to beat you. Someone
Yo, I said that like the lady who sells like vegetables, thinking I'm saying hi all the time.
Yeah, sure. What is going on about?
Oh, you want to be an energy star now? What are we selling? Oh,
Sing beauty.
she does beauty.
Yeah. Okay, beauty.
So what eyeliner do you use, Redsan?
I don't use eyeliner.
Oh, you woke up. What should you do with his eyebrows?
I think he has like really bushy eyebrows. So just like well groomed.
Yeah. Oh well, okay. I'll try yours. Exactly.
Thank you so much.
I
Anytime.
love it.
Guys, I just filmed my first IGTV video and I'm so happy about it. Anyway, I just want to tell you guys how proud I am of my skin. Can you imagine I'm not wearing any foundation? Can you see that? I have no foundation on. I have blush, I have like highlighter on, but that's it. I have concealer obviously, like just here, but my face has no foundation. This is the day I've been waiting for. Alhamdulillah. But do you guys see? Like, I'm not joking. Let me show you. Let me just do this slowly. No foundation. Anyway, I wanted to mention I just ordered like donuts from this popular like Instagram page and I'm so happy. I can't wait for them to get here. This is the Kericho passion and lime tea, like black tea, and I've been obsessed. Like, this has been my addiction. I tried it once like at some event and I fell in love, and then I saw them and I can't get enough. I'm currently at Connect Coffee at just like right next to my school, so on the lookout because I'm really shy vlogging in public. Anyway, I'm just here to get like some of my reports done. Dang, this is so weird. I just walked in and I just got so shocked. Anyway, I'm here doing some work done. I just posted a video. I'm editing more videos. I'm not the only one who's awkward publicly. Like, I keep doing like this in case someone pops up and finds me speaking. I'm so cautious about people like finding me speaking to my camera. Like, it's so weird. I'm still not used to like vlogging publicly with people around because the Wi-Fi is really good here. The one in school is so bad. So I'm just editing, putting some videos up because even the Wi-Fi at home, like I said, I want to have like a video up every day. So uploading all of them so that you just schedule and they just keep coming up. Anyway, they open like a nice rooftop area. Let me show you up here, and it's so open and nice, and they give you like blankets and everything. Let me show you. So you have like the view there, and it's like a sitting area. There's like the wings connect with the sky. You can sit up here if you want, and everything's like grass. It's so pretty. It's like literally, now this is what you call a rooftop, because we're literally on the roof. Like literally, I could walk on the roof if I wanted, but the views are so nice.
You say, come over, baby. I think you're pretty. I'm okay. I'm not your baby. If you think I'm pretty, you should see me in a crowd. Your silence is my favorite sound. Watch me make 'em bow one by